Hi, everybody. Very good evening. Welcome back to Republic Spoken English Academy Kalburgi. Today, I am going to talk with my students, and her name is Varsha. She is coming to Spoken English classes for English improvement. She today wants to talk to me. That's why I am going to talk with her. She attended my class for 1 month. Today, I am going to test her English, whether she is able to talk or not. Varsha, will you talk to me? Yes, you tell me. I will ask in Kannada. You should translate in English. Okay? Right. So ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ.
I go to school.
ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ.
I come to class.
ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
I like English.
ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
I am a student.
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇದೆ.
I have a mobile.
ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದುತ್ತೇನೆ.
I read English newspaper.
ಎಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.